improves vehicle visibility, enhances safety, increases braking awareness, and modernizes car appearance. Why today's video is about top 5 best LED tail light compatible that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Partsam LED tail light. This LED trailer tail light set is a versatile and heavy-duty lighting solution designed for a wide range of vehicles, including trucks, trailers, tractors, buses, boats, and other special utility vehicles. It is built to enhance road safety with high visibility LED illumination and multiple integrated lighting functions. The system includes a dual light setup. One side features 15 LEDs and the other 19 LEDs, delivering multiple functions such as stop light, turn signal, tail light, side marker, and rear reflex reflector. The driver's side unit also includes a license plate illuminator, adding extra convenience and compliance support. Designed for easy installation, it comes with all necessary mounting hardware and clear wiring guidance, wire harness not included. The fully sealed, waterproof acrylic lens ensures durability and reliable performance even in harsh weather conditions like rain, snow, or fog. Overall, this LED tail light set offers strong brightness, multifunctionality, and long-lasting durability, making it a dependable upgrade for improving vehicle visibility and road safety. Now our second product is Partsam LED tail light. This universal square 12V LED tail light set is a practical lighting upgrade for a wide range of vehicles, including trucks, trailers, RVs, boats, vans, and buses. Each unit is equipped with 38 super bright LEDs, offering multiple functions in one compact design. It includes 16 red LEDs for stop, turn, and tail light functions, 18 white LEDs for reverse/backup lighting, and 4 white LEDs dedicated to license plate illumination, adding extra visibility and utility. Built for durability, the polycarbonate housing and acrylic lens provide strong protection against water, shock, and vibration, making it suitable for all weather conditions. The low power consumption design ensures efficient operation while maintaining high brightness output. It is DOT compliant, making it street legal for most applications. Installation is straightforward with a 3-stud mounting system, though some vehicles may require minor drilling or wiring adjustments since a harness is not included. Overall, this tail light set delivers strong brightness, versatility, and rugged durability for heavy-duty and everyday use. Our third product is Partsam LED tail light. The Partsam Universal LED tail light set is a versatile lighting solution designed for a wide range of 12V vehicles, including trucks, trailers, SUVs, RVs, boats, and more. Each unit features 16 bright LEDs, combining 12 red LEDs for stop, turn, and tail functions, along with 4 white LEDs for reverse or backup lighting, ensuring strong visibility and improved road safety. This light set also includes built-in reflectors for added safety. It supports multiple functions in one compact unit, making it a practical upgrade for vehicles that need reliable rear lighting. However, it does not include a license plate light or side indicators, which should be noted before purchase. Installation is relatively straightforward with clear wiring instructions: white for ground, white plus red for high brightness red light, white plus black for low brightness, and white plus blue for reverse lights. While it is universally compatible, some Jeep models may require modifications for proper fitment. Overall, it offers strong brightness, multifunction performance, and solid versatility for utility and off-road applications. Now number 4, Spbrew LED tail light. This LED tail light assembly is a high-quality upgrade designed specifically for a wide range of Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra models from 1999 to 2007, fleet side only. It offers excellent OEM compatibility, making it a reliable replacement option for factory lights without complicated modifications. One of its standout features is brightness, claimed to be up to 300% brighter than standard tail lights, producing around 2000 lumens with a crisp 5200K output. This significantly improves visibility in low-light conditions, helping enhance driving safety and reducing rear-end collision risks. Built with an IP67 waterproof rating, the lights are fully sealed against dust, rain, snow, and car washes, while also preventing internal fogging or condensation. The heavy-duty ABS housing and vibration-resistant LED modules ensure long-lasting durability, rated for over 50,000 hours of use. Installation is simple thanks to its plug-and-play design using the OEM connector, requiring no cutting or rewiring. Overall, it delivers strong performance, durability, and safety-focused lighting for truck owners. And our last choice is Vland LED tail light. This LED tail light set is designed as an OEM direct fit replacement for 2018 to 2022 Honda Accord models, ensuring a seamless installation with no vehicle modifications required. It matches factory mounting points, making it a convenient upgrade for drivers who want improved style and performance without complicated setup. One of its standout features is the dynamic animation lighting. When locking or unlocking the vehicle, the lights perform a smooth scanning sequence that creates a modern, premium welcome and farewell effect. This adds a high-end, futuristic touch to the car's appearance. The full LED system includes a switchback turn signal with amber LED strips, eliminating the need for bulbs while improving brightness and response time. The fiber optic-inspired design enhances the rear styling, giving the vehicle a more luxurious and eye-catching look. For durability, it includes a waterproof sealing pad to protect against moisture, though proper installation is important. Overall, this tail light upgrade combines modern aesthetics, safety, and plug-and-play convenience for Accord owners. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.